This is Professor L.B.Gayakawad's English Literature Web YouTube channel. I am Professor L.B. Gayakawad is discussing today on the topic active and passive voices. Before going to the topic, I will request you to like, share, subscribe and comment my channel, my video. The second request I will do is that I have put the notes of this lecture in the description box. Please see them also. Now we will go to discuss the topic of the communication skill, that is the active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice are the important structures which are very much useful for speaking and writing English. It is very much necessary to learn it, and that's why now we are going to see it. Remember, I am going to tell you this active voice and passive voices. See, the subject does action on the object in the active voice. Remember, when we discuss about the active voice, then we can say that the subject is the important there and the subject does their action on the object. Means there is one object and on that object the subject does the particular action. It means that in the active voice there is the subject and object, and the subject does action on the object. That is called the active voice. The subject is active there, means in the active voice the subject is active and the object is passive in it. It means that there is the object and that object is passive, and there is the subject and that subject is active in the active voice. Now see, this is the example. I help Mohan always. This is the positive example. This is the positive sentence. I help Mohan always. The structure of this positive sentence is S+V+O+C plus full stop. It means that I is the subject, help is the verb, Mohan is the object, and always is the complement, and this is the full stop. Full stop, this is the full stop. So I will tell you is that the active voice means the structure which is called the S+V+O+C structure plus full stop. It means the S+V+O+C plus full stop is the particular structure of the active voice. Means we can prefer the active voice in this structure. So here this is the S+V+O+C structure. So this I is the subject, help is the verb, Mohan is the object, and always is the complement. Every tense shows this active voice. Remember, there are the tenses and there are the 12 subtypes of the tenses. In the 12 subtypes, I will tell you that the first is the structure of the active voice. The first sentence, S+V+O+C plus full stop, is the sentence of every tense is the active voice. But I will tell you is that there are only 9 tenses of which we can make the active voice and passive voices. So remember, here we will discuss all this video by video. So see here, every tense shows this active voice structure, negative and positive. Means remember here, every 9 tenses have the active voice structure or structures which are negative and positive. The object becomes the subject in the passive voice. Remember, when we discuss the passive voice, then we will see that, or we see that the object becomes the subject in the passive voice. It means that the object takes the place of the subject, means it comes in the beginning of the sentence in the passive voice. And the subject is in the by structure. By structure means, remember, when we see the passive voice, or when we talk, or when we write the passive voice, then the subject goes into the by structure. That is the point. How? I will tell you that. The subject is always passive in the passive voice. Remember, the subject which is there passive in the passive voice. But I have told you that the subject is active in the active voice, and the subject is passive in the passive voice, and the object is active there, means in the passive voice the object is active there, means everything is done on the object, and that's why in the passive voice the object is active. For example, Mohan is always helped by me. See, here I help Mohan always is the active voice, and Mohan is always helped by me is the passive voice. Remember, here this is the Mohan. This Mohan has taken here the place of the object. Then here is the is, because this is the simple present tense. That's why here I have taken is, because Mohan is in the singular sense, means Mohan is he, and that's why I have taken here is. And so this object is Mohan, so here is the is. Then I have taken here always. This always is the, I will say, complement, extra word, and I have taken it here. Then helped I have taken because this is the PP of this verb, means always remember the sentence, of the active voice is there, and the main verb is there, and we should take the PP of that main verb, and that PP is taken always here, and in this way I have taken that PP here. Then I have used there the particular by, and then there is the me, means this I has become me. It means that this I subject has gone into the by structure. This is the by structure, and this I subject has gone into the by structure. So the sentence is Mohan is always helped by me. So active voice is I help Mohan always, and the passive voice is Mohan is always helped by me. So the structure of this passive voice is here. O means object plus B means M is R, means M is R, can be used or are used as per the subject. If there is the I subject, then we use M. If there are the he, she, it subjects, then we use is, and if there are the plural subjects, suppose you, we, then I will say boys, girls, then we use their are. So this is the B, and then here is in the bracket M is R, so we can take M is R when we prepare the passive voice of the active voice. Plus extra words means we take the extra words there, then we take the PP, and then we take the by, and then we take the subject case, and then full stop. I will tell you here that object, see, Mohan is the object, then B, so M is R, so we have taken here is, then remember always we have taken here extra words means always, then PP we have taken helped, then by we have taken by, and subject case means we have taken here I has become here me, means we have taken the subject case here, and then we have taken the full stop. So see, here is the full stop, and so we have taken here the full stop. So this is the structure of the passive voice. Now we will discuss some more examples for understanding or for speaking and writing English. So I do not always help Mohan. This is the active voice, but this active voice is negative, and that's why we will make the passive voice of this negative sentence, and that voice is Mohan is not always helped by me. That is the negative passive voice. So remember here I will tell you that this is the subject, then do not has been taken for making the negative active voice. Always is the extra word, that is the complement, helping word there. Help is the main verb there, and Mohan is the object there. Now this is the negative active voice sentence. Now we have made, means I have made the passive voice, and that passive voice is, I have taken this Mohan here. So Mohan is taken here. Then this is the negative sentence of the simple present tense. So I have taken here is the image are, means I will tell you the be verb, that is, and then do not is here, so it is the negative, and that's why here I have taken not. And then this extra word or this complement or this helping word I have taken here, and then I have taken the I will tell you the PP of this main verb. So this is the PP of the main verb, then I have taken by here, and then this I has become me, means I have made here the subject case or subjective case, or the subject has become here me, and I have taken here by. So in this way, this is the active voice which is given in the negative sentence, and the passive voice is also taken here in the negative sentence. So lastly, I will tell you that active voice and passive voices are negative and positive, and are used to make language rich. Remember, these active voices, these passive voices are very much important because they are used for making our English language very much rich. So remember here today I have told you this video in which I told you the active and passive voices. Remember, the active and passive voices are very much important for speaking English, for writing English. You can prepare your study of competitive examinations with the help of my videos. Remember, this is my channel which uploads the videos on English literature, then English grammar, then morphology, phonology, phonetics, and I will tell you on the communication skills, and there are also the videos on my own Marathi created literature, my own English created literature. So please comment my videos, and please share my videos with your friends. So with this I will stop. Again I will come in front of you with a new video. Till then, thank you very much.